Hello guys, so I'm gonna do the sliced effect. So I drew here a rectangle and I have here 3 words I wrote separately. I'm gonna select all, right click, create outlines, then Control G to group, then go to Window, Align, and align them in the middle. And then get the line tool and switch it to stroke and draw a line which cuts all of them nicely. After that, select the line and edit, copy, edit, paste in front once, paste in front twice, and now we have 3 lines. Select one of them and lock it, and then select the words here and Control Shift G to ungroup, then select one of the lines and select the spiced, holding Shift, and then go to Window, Pathfinder, and divide, and select the other line, shift the rectangle and get as well divide. So now you have the line which you locked and everything is sliced. So click on this, the words, and shift Control G to ungroup. So now you can remove each letter by its own. And now hold these words and start moving them, and same for all the others. Okay, after you're done, select all the ones on the right and then go to Effect, Stylize, and Scribble. Okay, and then we just need to color it, so select the ones on the right again. Get the eyedropper and select this color I chose, and do the same for the left and use the bucket for the rectangle. And we're done.